The ligands, in this case insulin, attach to the receptors, and the individual monomers, they come together and create a dimer through dimerization. And what this does, it signals for ATP symbolized by the 3-ball snowman to become ADP symbolized by the 2-ball snowman. And what this does is that it adds a phosphate group to the tyrosines, and then it's a fully activated receptor on the tyrosine kinase. It's a phosphorylated dimer. And so this allows for the rest of the transduction pathway to occur, and it's recognized by specific relay proteins, in this case the IRS1 protein. And then we have the transfer of that phosphate group to the IRS1 protein, and then we also have the recruitment of a GRB2 protein, which activates the RAS pathway. And once that happens, we have the PI3 kinase, which catalyzes the addition of a phosphate group to the membrane lipid PIP2. And PIP2 is symbolized by the warm penguin, and it converts it to PIP3, symbolized by the cold penguin. But we have P10, which is a protein that can convert PIP3 back to PIP2. So, that's symbolized by the sun. And then we have Santa, who represents the protein kinase called AKT, and it's activated by other protein kinases. And AKT catalyzes phosphorylation of key proteins, leading to an increase in glycogen synthase activity, symbolized by the Christmas party, and the recruitment of a glucose transporter, GLUT4, which is symbolized by the certificate, which allows glucose to enter the cell.